Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable startup sound in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings, then click on personalization. Go to themes and click on sounds. Here you can see play Windows startup sound. You have to turn off this button and click on apply and then OK. So this is how you can enable or disable startup sound. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.